We have a customer who manufactures equipment for the wire and cable industry, and they are in the process of designing some new equipment and looking to move forward with existing designs on existing machines.
Great to hear that. Can you please describe the customer challenge that you helped to solve?
One of the biggest challenges that was presented to us from the customer was the fact that they were looking for a solution that was not only going to be user-friendly for their end customer, but was also going to be simple for them to implement and also maybe save some time in installation.
So was it a specific product solution, or was it more of a plant structure or machine structure type solution?
It wound up ultimately becoming a complete machine structure type solution. The original process had started out, the customer, we showed them the SewMachine software platform. They were very intrigued by it. They liked the fact that multiple devices could be programmed and controlled through one software package. The second step was we had then provided them a GC controller, which they had started doing some control work. And from there, we wound up adding a CAN Open Master module on the back of the GC unit to control servo and stepper drives within the existing piece of equipment that they were designing.